What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video where we're gonna be doing another unboxing. But here's the thing, I already know everything that's in the crate because I just did the unboxing, and after I finished recording it, the file became corrupted, so I couldn't play it back or upload it or do anything with it because fuck me, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna do this in the same order that I had done it before. This month's theme was Mecha. As you can see, I got a new background. That's how we're doing things now. Every month I'm gonna drop a new background on it. I got my social media right there. It's twitch.tv/NLH555. It's Nick_Hughes555. It's just, I'm just stupid. So the first thing we had was a figure from Deus Ex. And as I had said previously, I have only played one Deus Ex game, and that's the one that I have here that I got for free, called Deus Ex Human Revolution, I believe is called. Don't quote me on that. Not entirely sure. And yeah. So then the next thing that I had opened up was this Borderlands 2 Claptrap bottle opener. Got magnets on the back. It's very heavy duty, like it could really mess you up, and I had practically cut my hand in the last video, so that was probably a good thing that I didn't have it on. And I also smelled the paper that it came with, and it smelled horrible, so that's it's not a thing that you should be doing. And then the next thing that it comes with is a Big Daddy BioShock Iron-On. The only BioShock game that I've ever played was BioShock Infinite, and I thoroughly enjoyed that game. I really did, and you need to stay erect. Why don't you go flaccid on me? But so yeah, it's a pretty good game. I have it downloaded on my PC. I haven't played it yet, but I will play it at some point. Then we have another flat brim from a new game that's coming out, or did come out, or will come out, called Lawbreakers. Now, I don't know anything about Lawbreakers. I've never heard of it, so I'm curious to see what the game is. It's made by the creators of Gears of War, so it might be a decent game. I'm not a fan of like the third-person stuff, but then again, I do enjoy GTA and The Division, so I guess that's a lie. I could say I'm a fan of the third-person stuff. I'm sorry for lying. Then we're like really cruising along because it's all already out, so I don't have to really mess around with it. But we got a Destiny t-shirt. My face is gonna mess up because the lighting is really bad, and then the whole screen is gonna go white in a second because I'm gonna pull the shirt up. But okay, here we go. So we got a Destiny t-shirt, which with all the characters, I assume I didn't really enjoy Destiny. I mean, I did enjoy it, but not enough to actually buy the full game. I just wasn't that impressed with it. I'm like, oh, this is a fun game, but it is not $60 fun, unfortunately. But yeah, it's if you guys like it, then that's cool. That's cool. I just will not. I'll probably never own that game because it's just not my cup of tea, unfortunately. But then this, oh shit, is the Mecha pin, if it wants to focus here. It focused in the last video. Come on, there we go. So there you go. See that? That's really cool, guys. August 2016 Mecha. It's like a hand with a cross robotic hand, so I think that's actually really cool. And then the box is already pre-folded because I am redoing this effing video, and it's upside down too because I'm pro. So we got Loot Gaming. It's like a it looks kind of like a walkway type thing. It's probably not. I don't know. I feel like if you look at it, maybe it is. You look at this way, like you walk, and then you walk up to this, which is your armory for your all impending warfare. And the box is really messed up. My post office does not give a crap about my property. So we got some knives, we got some grenades, we got some like rockets or missiles or whatever. We got a nice LMG right here, a nice sniper, some pistols, an assault rifle or SMG, probably an SMG, then missiles. Big missile, little missile, size does not matter. It will still do the same thing. But yeah, that's the rest of that. That's pretty much the entire crate. I had spent a couple minutes looking through this in the last video, but I'm really not going to because there's really nothing noteworthy in here. Just more pictures that are not me from other people because Loot Gaming hates me. But alright, so that will wrap up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did enjoy, hit a like on the button below, comment, subscribe, whatever. If I had to rate this crate on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it as a 6.5, only because I don't play these games. I'm not entirely wowed. If Loot Gaming wants to wow me, they need to go ahead and release the Nintendo crate, because that is where they're gonna get my money. I'm gonna get the crates no matter what, so they're gonna get my money no matter what. But the point is, that's where I will feel like my money was earned or well spent. But it'll probably be with the new Zelda game. We'll probably have a nice Zelda collectible. I'll probably be getting that game. And I also did just sign up for a new Loot Crate subscription called WWE Slam. For anyone who doesn't know, I'm a WWE fan. After all, I do have an RKO shirt on actually right now. But it's a once every 2 months thing, so you can expect that video once every 2 months. And it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited. I'm gonna probably just do this one crate, and then if I really like it, like I gotta be really overwhelmed with it, I'll keep doing them. But I probably, if I'm not overwhelmed, I probably won't do them again unless they come up with like a good theme, because it's not really, because it's a lot of money. It's like 35 bucks, which is like what this is like 30 bucks I think, and I can't be spending that much, even though it's once every 2 months. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy, just leave a like. As I had already said, see if I forget anything else from when I had to redo the video. I don't think I am. But oh, I am actually. If you guys want to check out some of my other videos, please go ahead and do so. It would mean a lot to me. I play a lot of games. Right now it's just kind of a lot of the same games, just playthroughs. But occasionally I'll upload a nice highlight video from my Twitch stream, which is twitch.tv/NLH555. We are on the road to 200 followers on there. I have 164, 165. I'm not really sure, but every follower counts. I love to interact with you guys. It's kind of like a one-on-one thing. Or tweet me. Tell me how great I look, because, you know, I fucking look bomb, and I know it. But, alright. Adios.